ಹಲೋ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ 2024 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಹ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2024 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎ, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಆಡಿಟರ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್: an auditor is a professional who examines a company's financial records and report to ensure they are accurate and comply with law and regulations. Next, B. State the qualification of auditor. Answer: qualification of auditor. First one, communication. Second one, risk management. Third one, accounting and finance proficiency. Next, C. What do you mean audit risk? Answer: audit risk is the possibility that an auditor may give an incorrect opinion on financial statements that are actually material misstated. D. State any two objectives of valuation of assets. Answer: objectives of valuation of assets. First one, assertion correct financial position of company. Second one, evaluate right price of company. And third one, determine the goodwill of concerned firm. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅವ್ರ ಎರಡು ಸಹ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, E. Who is a company auditor? An auditor is a person who makes an independent report to a company's shareholders to show whether the company has prepared its financial statement according to a company law and other financial reporting rules. F. Define qualified audit report. Answer: a qualified audit report is one where an auditor gives an opinion on the truth and fairness of financial statement. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗ ಇದು ಆಡಿಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅವರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಡಿಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. G. What is internal check? Answer: it is an agreement of duties of members of a staff in such a manner that the work performed by one person is automatically and independently checked by the others. ಇದಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2024 ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, what do you mean by auditing? Auditing is concerned with verification of accounting and financial records with a view to determine their accuracy and reliability. Second one, state any two objectives of auditing. First one, objectives of auditing. First one, ensure financial statements are accurate and reliable. Second one, detection and prevention of errors. Detection and prevention of frauds. Next, third one, define interim audit. An interim audit is an audit that is performed before the end of a client's fiscal year and covers the preceding 6 to 9 months. Next, what is proprietorship audit? Answer: proprietorship firms are taxed as individuals under the Income Tax Act. Hence, in case of a proprietor running a business, a tax audit is mandatory in case the sales turnover exceeds 1 crore rupees. Next, fifth one, what is audit notebook? It is a register maintained by the audit staff to record important points, observed errors, doubtful questions, explanations, and clarifications to be received from the clients. Sixth one, meaning of audit program. An audit program, also called an audit plan, is an action plan that documents what procedures an auditor will follow to validate that an organization is in conformance with compliance regulations. Seventh one, state any two advantages of auditing. Advantages of auditing. First one, increase stakeholder confidence. Second one, identifying weakness in internal control. Third one, detect and prevent errors. Fourth one, keeps moral check. Eighth one, what is internal control? It is a process affected by an entity's board of directors, management, and other personnel designed to provide reasonable assurance that information is reliable, accurate, and timely of compliance with applicable law, regulations, and policies. Next, ninth one. State any two objectives of internal check. Answer. Objectives of internal check. First one. To avoid incorrect time or piecework records. Second one. To avoid dummy workers in the list of workers. Third one. To minimize the frauds. Tenth one. What is the meaning of cash purchase? Cash purchase refers to a transaction where a company immediately pays for goods or services with cash at the time of purchase. Next, 11th one. What is cash sales? Cash sales are transactions where a seller receives payment for a goods or a services immediately. 12th one. What is internal audit? Internal audit refers to an independent service to evaluate an organization's internal control, its corporate practices, processes, and methods. Next, okay, 13th one. State any two objectives of internal audit. Objectives of internal audit. First one, verifying the accuracy of accounts. Second one, verifying the company assets. Third one, verifying the system of internal check and control. 14th one, state any two advantages of internal audit. The objective of the next advantages. Advantages of internal audit. First one, make final audit easier. Second one, helps to identifying accounting errors. Third one, promotes proper use of resources. Next, 15th one. State any two objects of verification. Answer. Objectives of verification. First one, to show correct valuation of assets and liabilities. Second one, to find out the ownership and title of assets. 16th one, what is goodwill? Goodwill is an intangible asset that is associated with the purchase of one company by another. Next, 17th one, what is intangible asset? Intangible asset is a non-physical resources that a business owns and uses to produce goods or services or for administrative purposes. An asset that is not physical in nature. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 18th one, give the meaning of verification. Answer. Verification are the tools used and processes followed to collect the data necessary to measure progress. The data collected may be quantitative or qualitative. Next, 19th one. State any two advantages of verification. Advantages of verification. First one, customer satisfaction. Second one, contract and industry compliance. Third one, quality control. 20 question. What do you mean by valuation? Valuation is a quantitative process of determining the fair value of an asset, investment, or a firm. 21. Give the meaning of errors. Answer. They are the mistakes committed in the books of accounts by the clerk without any intention to defraud the proprietor of the business unit. 22. What is compensating error? Answer. Compensating error is when one error has been compensated by an offsetting entry that's also in error. 23. What is an error of omission? Answer. When a transaction is not recorded in the books even though it occurred during the period. Next 24. What is forensic audit? Answer. It is an examination of the financial records of a business entity in an investigative manner and finds out the evidence that can be used for legal in court. 25th. What are the types of forensic audit? Types of forensic audit. First one, proactive forensic audit. Second one, reactive forensic audit. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.